Killed it, old man. Started right back up, though.
Yeah, this is what I love about cars. 12 years in the barn, and I didn't even have to put fresh gas in there. And this is running solid. Yeah. I'll have to do a little cleanup. Yeah, take a look. It's got the canopy, gem top canopy. Good machine. Check out the front end. Yeah, birds would fly in, and to get upstairs in the barn, they had to go right like this. And of course, leave some dung there.
The aftermath.
That's right. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. Watching the video.
Danky Dan out.